Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys are doing well. Just doing a bunch of random stuff tonight. I've been busy the last 2 days working and just keep busy at work. Got to be at work early tomorrow, so and then I'm going to be off Wednesday, work Thursday. Then I'm off Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I'm ready. So ready. So guys, there's the custom V8 Vega. You guys know I love my Vegas as well. Just like the Chevelles and Novas. And my Mopars as well. So anyway, let's jump on to the next one, guys. '67 Mercury Cougar. Let me go ahead and open the hood on this one, because I know the hood opens. Yeah, it does. It's pretty good that way. Nice looking engines, detailed pretty nice. I forgot what cast I think. Oh, Johnny Lightning, I believe. Oh, that guy's hard to tell. Okay, I had it upside down. Oh, it's green light. I'm sorry. My bad. Anyway, this is a great looking Mercury Cougar. I really enjoy this car. And, engine is detailed really nice casting. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Let's see here. 63 Chevy 2. Love the color. This one's beautiful. A little dust on there and cleaned it off, so sorry guys, yawning. Tired. Anyway guys, it's a beautiful looking casting. I love this blue color. 63 Chevy 2. I guess just before they were called Novas. I love the blue color and the white graphics on there. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one's a 65 Pontiac Bonneville. Sure love these Pontiac Bonnevilles. Gorgeous cars. Man, these things were tanks. They were so big. Solid muscle right there. Pretty sweet casting. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys, next one. Okay, let's see, that was Ford Thunderbolt. Another beautiful casting, another great looking blue color, white graphics. I'll move this forward a little bit guys, bear with me here. We need that Dyson vision. Yep. Dyson vision and turtle wax. Gotta see the shine. So guys, and that's just an absolute gorgeous car. Little square bodies. That's for sure. Sure is beautiful. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Okay, let's go to the 67 Chevy Camaro. And the hood doesn't open, but there's really not much detail to it. Gosh, guys, I'm tired. Yeah, she sure is beautiful. I love this casting. I love the color. Black and the gold go great together. But you can't see the line in the doors there or the trunk. So it's like doors don't open. You just have to hop through the window like Dukes of Hazzard. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys, next one. 68 Chevy Nova. Gorgeous casting. It's a custom 68 Chevy Nova, courtesy Rivera's Customs. Does a fantastic job in his custom work. Just such a great looking casting. Love the color. The wheels are perfect on this car. It sure is beautiful. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Okay, 1933 Willys pickup gasser. So it's pretty cool looking. Here, find out which one this is from. Yep, it's Johnny Lightning, that's it. Johnny Lightning gasser, yeah, 1933 Willys pickup gasser. Yeah, it sure is beautiful though. I really enjoy this casting. Glad I picked these up. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Alright guys. Next one, 1936 Custom Ford Sedan by Matchbox. One of the ones I got the other day from Walmart. It's a beautiful looking casting. Doors open on this, but boy, they're hard to close too. Beautiful, great looking sedan. Love the colors to it, gold with white top. Great looking rims on there. Not a whole lot of detail in the front or back though. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Okay. Next one, Fat Fender 40. It's a great looking casting. Spectra Flame Candy Apple Red. It's got the modern red lines on it. Love this casting though. The colors are so good. Alright guys. A couple more times around. Not much, there's no detail on this either whatsoever. But I like it because I love the color. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. A purple tail dragger. It's like a pearl purple color. It's a great looking casting. I love these tail draggers. I think I have three of them in my collection. Really nice looking. It's got the some really nice looking blue graphics on there, as you can see, and it's gorgeous looking casting. It's like lowrider style. Alright guys, that's gonna about do it. Gotta get my clothes in the dryer and just take it easy the rest of the night. I gotta be up at 5:30, so guys, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, please subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications on new videos. You guys have yourselves a good night, be good to each other, be well, be safe, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. It's Mike, Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.